Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding my G3. Here it is. And please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing. So first you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and you want to fold a 8x8 grid. So you want to fold it in half, like so. Then you want to unfold that. Then you want to fold the other side in half. Okay, like so. Then you want to bring all the edges to the center line 2 times, okay? So first, like this, and again, like so, okay? So do that for the rest of the sides. Okay, like so. Okay, unfold that. Then you want to fold this up like a fan. So follow all the crease line and fold it all the way down, like so. Okay, and now you want to fold the fan going the other direction now from here. Okay, so you see all the crease line right here. So first you want to fold that first crease line right there. Okay, then fold the corners, then fold up the other corner like so. Then fold that second crease line right there. Okay, fold that crease line, then fold up the corners. Then you see that third crease line right there. Fold that third crease line down like so. Then fold up the corners. Then you see those 2 squares, those are 2 corners, so you just have to fold them down like so, okay? And do the same thing on the other side. So you see that crease line right there. Fold that first crease line like so. Then fold up the corners like that. Then you want to fold that second crease line right there. So fold that up, then fold up the corners like so. Then the third crease line like there, and fold up the corners, then fold that whole thing down like so. Okay, and of course make sure the edge is facing towards you. Okay, so the longer side should be towards you and the shorter side should be away. Okay, should look like this. And now you want to fold this whole thing in half. Wait, before that, see that bottom piece right here? See that triangle? You want to fold down this triangle. So open up this pocket right here, and you see that crease line right there. So just fold that in like so. Okay, then fold this whole thing in half. Okay, from the bottom. So the center crease line should be on top. Then you see this back piece right here, this bottom back piece, you want to fold it all the way down. Okay, and make sure the center line is facing towards the front. Okay, then you see that first crease line, you want to fold that first crease line in. Then for the back, just fold right around there. Okay, then fold it back down, or fold it just a little bit more up. Then you see that crease line in the back, you want to fold that forward. Okay, then you see that point, you want to fold that down. Okay, and now you see this crease line right here, next to all the trigger and stuff. You want to zigzag fold right there, but do it in a slight tilt. Okay, like so. And when you look in the back side, you want to bring this edge slightly up, okay, to widen the stock. So bring this corner right near the center line, or on it. Okay, then turn towards the back, kind of line it up a bit, and you see that triangle. The back side, you want to open up this pocket. Then you want to fold in that triangle. Okay, and adjust that. Okay, and now you see this bottom piece right here. You want to fold it all the way down. Okay, like so. Make sure the crease line is, the center crease line is towards the back side. Okay, and now open up this pocket. Then you're going to fold it all the way down, like so. Then fold this. Fold this down, of course. And now if you look in the back side, you want to bring this corner right into this pocket. So kind of put that in there. The back side as well. And then you want to fold in this corner so it kind of looks parallel to the top, of course. So fold in this edge a bit. Okay. And right where the handguard is, you want to zigzag fold right there for the barrel. So fold it back, so, and fold it back forward like that. And if you look at the back side, you want to bring this top edge down to the bottom, okay, folding the whole barrel in half. Okay, and you see this triangle in the front? I'm going to fold in that triangle, so open up this pocket right here and fold that triangle inside. Okay, then you want to fold this barrel in half again, then drag it kind of down, okay, towards the bottom. And adjust that. And here is my G3 rifle. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.